Hi, my name is Ling. I'm 12 years old. Today I will introduce to you my robot, Domino Robot. This robot stacks dominoes from the tray and lines it up based on controller programming. You can use small square domino or rectangle domino to put in the tray. Put domino in the tray one by one. If you want the robot to stack more domino, don't try to add dominoes, it will fall. You need to use rivet tool, and use the longer tray. And now, you can put the 6 rectangles into the tray. Using application, or plus block to program the robot to move and stack dominoes. You also can use remote controller to control robot. Up is move forward, down is move backward, left to turn left, right to turn right, and number 1 to put the domino down. And the last, I use Domino Robot to line tracing with 2 sensors. It can work with real domino. Have fun with my Domino Robot. Goodbye.